Good morning, student. Very happy to see you all in the morning. Today, we are going to see regarding an industry case study on our subject wireless ad hoc and sensor network. We already gone through several of case studies through this. Today, we are going to see an one more industry case study on that. Right? So, we will move to the case study of part. We visited a company called Global Knowledge, which is located in Bangalore. They are working on the products of using sensors as a major one. We have chosen one among their problem issues as a case study. When we have a discussion with them while they are producing their products of uh, like using sensors, they find one products where finding some difficulties where the water tap opening detection, where the water flow may happen at any cost. So there we are finding their products integrated with the using sensors. They are facing a lot of issues on that. So they express their empathy part during the thing, and we thought of taking that case study into our part. That is why we chosen the case study as the case study on water tap open detection and monitoring system using sensors. This case study is entirely deals about the water flow happen when there is a open in the water tap. So often there are many times people and home they are not closed during the water flow condition, right? Many cases it happens. So in that case, if there is any possibility of water flow come when this is not available, they will be kept closed. They will get that this closed, but partially it will be open. So there are the possible things may happen. So in order to avoid such type of things, we consider this case study part and find some suitable solution for the problem for the company, right? That is why we are using the case study. This is a company we visited called Global Knowledge. They're working on a lot of the products which is related to sensors. And then that the case study which you are considering, it comes under the data analytic parts. During the analysis, we have a lot of analysis to be made on the data in all the perspectives, whether the tap has been opened, whether the water flow may become a lot of parameters will be considered. That is why the analytic part will be taken place. So we choose on the trust area as data analytics, and then this will be helpful for the home applications, right? Probably for home and as well as for industry. So that is why we chosen this comes under industry vertical as smart city. When we have a discussion with the company members of the case study during the empathy part, so they struggle in finding the water tap open when there is a chance of water flow may be in the may not be available in the tank. When the water flow is there, they can easily detect whether has been tap has been closed or not. But their problem is that when the tank is being empty, they will close it. They will think that it has been closed, but it is not closed. Partially it will be open. When there is a filling of water will be taken place during that time, the water may flow out or during this tap. So these are the lot of issues happen during the as well as in home also. So that it will be a lot of damage caused to the home, right? So in order to avoid that, it will be very difficult for them to identify the water tap open. And another thing will be It requires more time. If it is empty, the tank has been empty, whether the tap has been closed or not, it will be required more time to identify. So that in case of water flow happen, if it is open, obviously it leads to larger costs for the home appliances also for the industry. So a lot of electrical appliances are there so that it will damage a larger cars. And also apart from all these things, the wastage of water will be a major concern since we know that water will be more precious to rescue so that large water will be wasted during this thing. So these are the four major empathy prioritize which has been get from the company people. Identify time, expensiveness, water waste. Once we made the empathy part clear, so we have for thinking of converging into a single point or problem defined statement, which will be helpful for finding the suitable solution for the problem. So we thought of defining the statement in such a way that it deals with the water tap opening. So the main thing is finding the water tap open detection and monitoring with the help of using sensors. We are finding some suitable solution. So defined statement is difficult in finding water tap open detection and monitoring system using sensors. Since we have a lot of ideation part among the solution for this, when we have discussion with all the members of the company, finally we came to a suitable solution with uh, a mobile application integrated with the um, sensors. So it will be continuously monitoring in such a way so that the demand you can recover on time basis of the huge loss. So that is why we thought of giving a solution as to develop a mobile application will display the message regarding the water tap open detection and as well as monitoring system using sensors in home, and it will be helpful for saving the life of the home. This solution will be aptly suitable for home and as well as for industry. So we thought of finding this solution will be helpful for the industry. When we executing the part of this sensors in the tap, we thought of placing an Arduino board which is attached with the water tap, and then we place the sensors over the water flow area of a tap, and there should be a transmitter placed in the Arduino board for transmitting the data frequently, and the Arduino board is integrated with the interface of mobile application so that the data will be frequently monitored with the help of this mobile application. So when the water flow will not be there, immediately there should be a message displayed indicating that the water flow will not be happen. And secondly, since the water flow happen after filling the tank, probably it will indicating the message regarding the water flow running over the tap so that immediately the person can go and close the tap. These are the possible things which may happen in order to avoid the water flow. So there we have a Arduino board and we having a sensor placing over there, and it will be connected with the interface. So it will be finding both the way of finding the solution whether the water flow is not happened also there should be a message came to the mobile application of indicating water flow will not be there. And secondly, once water flow happen after filling the tank, the flow will be happen from the water tap also. That will the message will be indicated with the help of this Arduino board to the mobile application in order to indicate that the water flow is happening in the tap, so that we can reduce the huge amount of loss. When we come to the benefits, as we all know that there should be a manual work taking place of identifying whether the water tap has been closed or not. Since we use this application, it will reduce the manual work to larger extent, and there should not be any manual is needed for uh, identification of this whether the water tap is closed or not. So the automatic way of identification will be takes place. And the major thing, secondly, we will be having a larger damage may happen since the water flow happen. So this should be avoided during the home and as well as for industry. Second will be reduce the damage to a major extent. There should be a minimum cost will be installing for the application over there in your home or industry, and it will be maintained for a longer period of time. So the larger investment will not be taken place. And then fourthly will be easily to detect the water flow. And from all these things, the time will be a major factor since we are identifying the defects manually. So these are the five major benefits of using the application to be helpful for the industry and as well as home. These are the benefits of using our application. So I just want to uh, conclude that this solution will be more suitable for finding the suitable solution of water tap door opening and as well as water flow indication. So just want to recap the thing. So when we have a discussion during the empathy part, they express their pain problems of identifying the problem. Main problem they have expressed will be difficult to identify. Secondly, more time required. Thirdly, will be a large number of cost is needed. Lastly, will be a wastage of huge number of water will be wasted. So these are the four major empathy part they have discussed. Based on the priority, we have ordered this empathy part, and we converge into a defined part of a common point will be finding the water tap detection will be open or not is a huge part. For that, we made the finding of detection and monitoring using sensors. And the suitable solution integrating with the sensors with mobile application will be in a continuous way of monitoring will be best solution when we compare to the other thing. Further, these are the application related implementation takes place where the sensor will detect the flow and it will be forward the message to the Arduino board, where Arduino board will be a controller of integrating all the components. Arduino board will be having a transmitter and receiver. Once the receiver of the Arduino board will receive the data from the sensors, and then it will forward the data with the help of using transmitter to the mobile application. So there should be an interface communication between the Arduino board and mobile application. So the message will be conveyed to the mobile application of indicating the water flow happen, so that it will be on demand the identification of water flow will be taken place. so that in order to avoid the water loss and the expansion of the water may reduce. When come to the benefits, reducing the manual part, damage and cost. Lastly, we will be having time constraint. So these are the major benefits of using the application. With this, I'm concluding our case study of finding the water tap open detection and monitoring with the help of using sensors while conveying the mobile application. Thank you for being the patience.